In today's video, I am going to teach you how to consolidate data in Microsoft Excel. The goal of this tutorial is simple. You will create a combined data summary in one sheet by using a formula that adds values from multiple sheets. This is a common approach when you have the same type of data repeated across several worksheets, and you want one total that updates automatically. First, you will click Cell C2. Take a moment to look at your spreadsheet and find column C and row 2. When you click Cell C2, you are telling Excel exactly where you want the combined result to appear. You should see the cell outline and the cell reference C2 highlighted, which confirms that Excel is ready for your entry. Next, you will move your attention to the formula calculation bar, which is the field where Excel shows what you are typing into the selected cell. This is important because the formula will not be placed correctly unless it is typed into the calculation bar while C2 is selected. Once you are there, you will type an equals sign first. The equals sign tells Excel that you are creating a formula, not entering plain text or a number. Now you will enter the following formula inside the formula calculation bar. ZUM Sheet 1, B2, Sheet 2, B2. As you type, make sure you include all punctuation exactly as shown. The word SUM, the opening parentheses, then Sheet 1, B2, followed by a comma, then Sheet 2, B2, and finally the closing parentheses. This formula adds the value from Sheet 1 cell B2 and the value from Sheet 2 cell B2 together. The exclamation mark in Sheet 1, B2 is Excel's way of referencing a cell in a different worksheet, so it is a key part of the formula. While you type, you may notice that Excel can sometimes help you with formatting as you enter sheet and cell references. Still, it is best to verify the references after you finish typing. Confirm that the formula refers to B2 in both sheets, because the entire purpose of this step is to combine matching cells across worksheets. If your data is stored in different cells, you would adjust those references. But for this instruction, you should keep Sheet 1, B2, and Sheet 2, B2 exactly as written. After the formula is complete, you will press Enter. This final step tells Excel to calculate the sum and display the combined total in cell C2. Look back at the grid and check that cell C2 now shows a number, not just the formula text. If the referenced cells contain numeric values, Excel will add them and return the result immediately. At this point, you have successfully consolidated your data in Microsoft Excel. The most useful part is that this is not a one-time calculation. If the values in Sheet 1 B2 or Sheet 2 B2 change, the total in C2 will update automatically the next time Excel recalculates. That makes this method a reliable way to keep summaries accurate without manually retyping values. To finish, simply take a quick moment to verify that the result in C2 matches what you expect by checking the values in Sheet 1 B2 and Sheet 2 B2. This quick check helps confirm that the formula references are correct and that your consolidation is set up properly. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.